In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zipbooks. By the end, you'll know how to log in, connect your accounts, manage contacts, create invoices, track time, run reports, and export your data with confidence. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Zipbooks. When the results appear, choose the official site. Take a quick look at the URL to make sure you're on the legitimate page before moving forward. On the home page, select Log In if you already have an account, or Sign Up if you're new. You can enter your email and password, or use single sign-on with a trusted provider like Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn. SSO keeps the process quick and secure, and it means one less password to remember. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is your command center. Here, you'll see real-time snapshots of your revenue, expenses, and overall profit or loss. Use this view to get an instant pulse on your business health without digging through spreadsheets. Next, let's bring in your financial activity. Go to Transactions, then choose Manage Banks. Click Connect a bank to securely link your bank or credit card accounts. Zipbooks will import your latest transactions automatically. The first sync may take a moment, and you may be asked to verify your identity through your bank. After that, new transactions will flow in so your books stay current. Now, head to the Contacts tab to add customers and vendors. You can import a CSV file if you already have a list, or add people manually with basic details like name, email, and address. Keeping this list accurate makes invoicing and expense tracking much smoother. To bill clients, click Invoices and then select the Start Invoicing button. Create a clean, professional invoice or an estimate by adding your customer, line items, rates, and any notes or terms. Double-check totals and save. Consistent, clear invoices help you get paid faster. If you do service-based work, use the built-in time tracker from the dashboard. You can run a live timer while you work or enter hours manually. Assign time to the right client or project so it's easy to reconcile later. When you're ready to review performance, open the Reports tab. Generate key statements like profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow to understand how your business is doing. Most reports can be exported as CSV or PDF for sharing with your accountant or for secure record keeping. That's it. You've learned the core workflow in Zipbooks, from setup to reporting, so you can manage your finances with clarity and ease.